welcome to a beautiful West Virginia day. It's 42 degrees. Do a little COBB Stage 1 map review for you. Just some notes on the map. It's just a flash and a catback, no intake or anything like that. Peak boost for a stock STI should be between 16, 17. Usually in the colder weather months here, I'll see 17.3 or so stock. As far as the COBB map goes, Stage 1, I think it's 18 PSI, plus or minus 1%. I'm using the 93 octane version. Red 93 is readily available here in West Virginia. As far as the peak boost I'm seeing, I'm getting about 18 and a half, which is like right on the money for what they recommend, and that's running the Boost Select map. That's not using the high wastegate or the low wastegate map. That's on the straight up 93 Boost Select map. So the map in and of itself is working great for me. I've got about 200-300 miles on it so far, so everything should have been shaken out. A couple good cycles there of run time. Power gain on the map, you're looking at 3% horsepower. I think COBB Stage 20% more torque. Pretty significant bump in torque. Horsepower is marginal. That torque really does make it more of a good drivability factor more than anything, because you know torque, you feel torque. Anytime you got more, it just makes it a better daily driver, street car. Just makes it get in and out situations a little bit better. But as far as the map goes itself, overall drivability is improved. It's a lot less jerky, I guess you could say. The stock STI map isn't anything to write home about. The off-the-shelf map that COBB has, marginally better. Obviously, best map you could do is a Pro Tune. Weigh your cost factors against that as far as how much you're actually going to gain versus the off-the-shelf map. But as far as like bang for your buck goes, the Stage 1 map, in my opinion, is a pretty good bang for your buck, especially if you buy the access port used, which in my opinion, I don't think you should ever pay full retail for an access port when there's a bunch of them on the used market. I got mine for 500 bucks off eBay. It's the exact same thing I'd have got if I'd have got a brand new. So save yourself a couple $100, $150 and get a used one. It's basically the same thing. Say overall the car pulls pretty hard. You can definitely feel that extra torque percentage. And you know, as far as the pulling goes, third gear romps, this, that, and the other, in my opinion, the 20%, you definitely do feel that. So that's a good thing for, like I said, street car drivability and such. We got the car in sport sharp, third gear roll, here we go. Grab a gear, let it eat. There's third, fourth. Woo! Feels good, feels real good. Can't imagine what it'll feel like once we get all of our mods on here, but that Stage 1 definitely wakes it up for sure. It ain't gonna set the world on fire, but it definitely does wake it up. Close it out, overall opinion, do I think it's worth it? I 100% think it's worth it, like I said, especially if you can get a used access port, flash it, 500 bucks in, a lot more miles per gallon. If you, like say, if you want to go Pro Tune route Stage 1, so another couple $100 bucks on it, 750 bucks all in, you got a good amount more power, a lot more fun. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. We'll catch you in the next one.